But yeah, as I was saying before, ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at there is all that's left of what used to be the J.C. Penney at Granite Run Mall. And as I was trying to say earlier, what they're going to be doing to the Granite Run Mall is after the whole interior is demolished, with the exception of a few stores like Boscov, Sears, etc., they're pretty much going to be turning this whole complex into something that looks like either the Concordville Town Center or the town center like up in Exton. But that's unreal, people. Had me a lot of good memories there at the Granite Run Mall. Now they're gone. God bless you, Granite Run. I hope your new form's just as good as what you used to be.